Say hi. Say Merry Christmas. Billy. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Salome.
Salome.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sifo. Nani anaitwa nani? Wewe Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Aya, mtu anishukue Merry Christmas. Sifa, nishikie Merry Christmas. Hi, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2025. Hello. Welcome and welcome. Good morning, Merry Christmas, wherever you are watching me from. Today we start off the day well, but then again this morning tumetoka kuangalia mahali kwa sababu there was someone who died, so tulikuwa tumeamkia huku kwenda kufariji familia. So I want to start off my vlog right now, and yeah, so enjoy this Christmas with me, us. Hi, this is home, Kilifi County, coasts of Kenya. First of all, this is what we are having for the day. As you can see, my brother here, Brian, is doing the needed. How are you going to say about it? Nimesikia uliact sana usiku wewe. How was it? How was the kesha and everything?
The gesture was good. I don't know God, thank God.
What are you doing with the kagot?
I'm removing the skin. I'm doing skinning.
And what about here? Is it kitambi or what is this?
That is the stomach.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Wish people Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi. So guys, seeing you in a bit as we continue to do this mboga here. Unakata huko juu alafu uviache vianguke. Hiyo ni nini? Kibofu cha mkojo? Ndani kuna mambo ya Mungu mengi sana. Na hizo ni mavi. Kina dadi wanarudi. Sasa nini?
Sasa inachukua.
Hi. On the process here of making the stripes. Baba, unaangalia nini? chali bila kidogo. Bila kidogo na sindikize hapa.